Welcome to Fort 44. My name's Aaron. Today we're going over how to create and add a signature to your email. At Fort 44, we manage IT for small to medium-sized businesses, so if you fit within that category and you're looking for assistance, please reach out on our website and we'd be happy to chat. Alright, this is going to be in the mail client for a Mac. First, you're going to need to go to Outlook at the top left of your screen and go to Settings. This will bring up the Settings dialog box, and you're going to go down to Signatures. And then from here, you're just going to hit plus to create a new signature. And in this case, we're creating for Michael Scott. And the best boss ever. Done. And then you're going to set the account that you want this to be assigned to. So in this case, Michael Scott. And you can decide if you want this to show up for new messages or just for replies. So in this case, I want to show up for new messages. And actually, before I do that, we're going to go up here and just change this name. I like titling it potentially the name of the employee and then the company if they have multiple different email addresses for different companies, or just the employee's name. So Michael Scott, enter, and then you can decide if you want to add that message to automatically append onto new emails and onto replies. So something to keep in mind, if you have an automatic, you can do using Exclaimer and other tools, you can automatically append a signature to new emails. You may not want to always automatically append that, so then you could have, for replies, you have a different, smaller signature. That's what we do here. So I think since I renamed that a little late, it hasn't totally updated, but that's fine. That's how you create it. So then we're going to close out of here, and we'll draft a new message, and there's our signature. If you want to change it to a different signature, you can always select it from this list, but that's how to do it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.